Hello, good day. You may have seen car crash tests by now, but today we are going to see crash tests of 10 of the most expensive cars in the world. This video might get on your nerves because luxury cars are going to be destroyed in front of your eyes. So let's start with the cheapest car and move forward. Number 1. Range Rover Velar. This car is a luxury SUV that starts at €84,000 and goes up. Crash tests of this car have been carried out by Euro NCAP. With 5 stars, was able to be proud in this test. This is the emergency brake test, which for the Velar was quite successful. Number 2. Audi Q8. This car is another luxury SUV that starts at $69,000 and goes up. Emergency brake test, the Audi Q8 can handle it. Overall, the car received 5 stars. Number 3. Tesla Model S. The price of this car starts at $74,000 and goes up. The car has been absolutely outstanding in all the tests. This American car has been dubbed the safest car in the world, a title that belonged to Volvo Cars until a few years ago. Number 4. A German car with a base price of $92,000 called Porsche Taycan. This car is Porsche's first electric car to compete with Tesla, but they haven't been able to reduce the price as much as Tesla, and it's more expensive than Tesla. Leaving aside the price argument, Taycan is a safe car and has 5 stars.
Void.
Number 5. Mercedes G-Class. Price of this car starts at $144,000 and goes up. Despite not so many changes in design compared to previous models, the car managed to get 5 stars. Number 6. Mercedes SLS AMG. Price of the car starts at $222,000 and goes up. This car is a supercar. Usually, the supercars they bring to the test come with minimum features. For example, they do not have first-class colors, and the equipment on the car is among the cheapest. Because the car has a flying door that opens from above, it is necessary to turn left during the crash test to make sure that the door opens or not. Number 7. Lamborghini Murcielago. Another supercar that, when it was just on the market, started at $350,000 and went up little by little. The body of the car is made entirely of carbon fiber. The car was tested by the Lamborghini company itself, and as you can see, it stood out proudly due to the health of the occupant. Now we are talking about hypercars, which are better than supercars. Number 8. Bugatti Veyron. At a starting price of $1,900,000. Unfortunately, we won't be able to watch the test video of the Bugatti Veyron because Bugatti doesn't allow it. But let's take a look at some pictures of the test. Number 9. Koenigsegg Regra. Another hypercar that starts at $2 million. Koenigsegg is a Swedish automotive company that builds hypercars like the Regra. Only one of these cars was brought in for testing. After every blue they hit it, they take it back to the factory, rebuild it, and bring it back to test the other parts. For this reason, testing this car will take a long time. Testing the chassis of this car is the most important part of the test. And finally, the most expensive car on the list, number 10, Pagani Huayra. Unique hypercar at the price of $3,400,000. The car received 5 stars as expected. Pagani lovers say the car is like a moving drawing board that makes the roads beautiful. Do you agree with them? I prefer cheaper cars. Thank you for being with Dark Fact until the end of these videos. For more information on inventions, initiatives, and strange happenings in the world, please subscribe to Dark Fact.